Make it. My check. What is going on, people? What is popping? Welcome back to the market. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you guys can hear me clearly coming into the airways, not the airwise, give me a quick thumbs up and let's get the show on the road. Welcome back to the market. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay. So, if you haven't yet, of course, smash the like button, guys. Engage the video. Appreciate you guys for tuning in this morning. We had ourselves some GDP data coming in this morning here. The GDP for Q3 came in, I guess, higher than expected. Durable goods came in lower than expected. GDP prices, GDP index came in higher than expected, and the core durable goods came in lower than expected. And we're not seeing as many. We're not seeing many reports here, data sets here, come in at the expected levels. We're really seeing a significant difference between the estimates and the numbers we're getting as of late. So the market will not be closed early today. It'll be closed on December 24th at 1 p.m., which is tomorrow at 1 p.m. Today is still a full day. It's the day before Christmas, December 24th. That is the full holiday. All right, so yeah, today's a full day. Tomorrow's a half day. Thursday is Christmas. That is all day off. So you have 2.5 days. Then you have Christmas. Then you have one full day. Okay. All right. Without any further ado, guys, let's get into this video. Everybody. All right. So we got the data coming in here, and we got several names pulling back this morning. Starting off here with the SPY. Actually, let me not pull that chart right now. That might get confusing. Let's pull this chart up here. Starting off with the SPY. The SPY looked interesting yesterday, I will say. Yesterday looked like almost like a hangman candle, and I would not be shocked whatsoever if this were to pull back a little bit from here and start seeing a little bit more downside, right? Just as we head towards the holidays, if we did see the market pull back down here, it wouldn't be shocking. I kind of spoke to you guys about this yesterday. We gapped up yesterday, immediately saw a drawdown, and then we slowly walked back up. For the Qs, in a very similar situation here. But the daily candle for the Qs looked even, I want to say even worse, right? Yesterday, it just didn't have the same buying back power that the SPY did. Now, oil is seeing another move up again, USO. It is up again. The calls that we have, for those of you guys from the Discord, the calls we had for USO, if this opens as is, would be in the money, which would be perfect for January. Y'all spoke of this yesterday on YouTube. This would be great. This would be perfect. NVO. Finally moving. Currently up 8% this morning here. Yes, it is up a significant amount here. Up roughly 7% from where, for those of you guys from the Discord, before we post about this and start looking at it like a potential swing trade, share trade, like we saw that macro bottom already. Yeah, this looks like a nice little, I shouldn't say little, but resistance breakout here. And I don't know, oh, I know exactly what happened to it. There we go. I think the next levels up for NVO would probably be a move back up towards 62. Following that, we could see a little bit of resistance there, but there's a huge gap fill all the way up towards 68. There's a huge gap fill all the way up there, so we'll keep that part in mind. Now, as we start to see this market show a little bit of weakness, we really have just Tesla right here giving us an H, right? It did close the day roughly at 488, but it did send back down towards 487. The levels for Tesla that I'll be looking at, guys. Well, that's 455. That's way down. Hold on a second. Let me pull up the good old. There we go. Is this 485 to 484 range here? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys like this to make sure that's very clear. There's a gap here all the way back down to roughly 480 on Tesla, right? So if we do lose 485, we could be coming back down towards 481, and pretty quickly too, right? Yesterday, when the market opened, Tesla ripped up towards new all-time highs, 498, and then 50 minutes later was down to roughly 486. It was the craziest spike up. Okay, so let's just say the first half an hour, 45 minutes, it ripped up 11 points. Following that peak, it ripped back down $12.13. Now I'm talking about like, whoop, whoop. If this thing wants to move, there is no doubt in my mind that this thing can move 5 to 10 points down in the first 15 minutes. It's not something we have not seen before. We actually saw it happen twice yesterday, okay? Please be very careful, especially as we're heading towards the holidays. Things can get a little spooky out here. All right, a little spooky out here. Let's go towards the other big boys. Bitcoin currently looking like it's pulling back here as well. Wait. Oh, it's on the 50. I was like, where's my Bitcoin chart? I was like, what's going on here? Okay. So for Bitcoin, if Bitcoin does pull back, guys, I would like to see us come back down towards that $83,000 mark. Okay. Nothing too crazy here, but that's the level of support that I would like to see coming to test. If it can't hold 83,000, great. Okay. If it falls back down below 69,000, sorry, if it falls back down below 83,000, 69 to 70,000 is the next key level of support. Okay. Keep that part in mind. These are the things that I want everyone to keep in mind if we do see support fail here. As long as 83,000 to roughly 80,000 holds up, Bitcoin's in good hands. What's that insurance company? Allstate. You're in good hands. Dun, 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 dun. What is that? What ad is that? Hey guys, real quick. What ad is this? Dun, 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 dun. I know Allstate is Allstate. You're in good hands. Not that. But dun, 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 dun. I think it's a different insurance company. I have the jingle, but I cannot remember the words. If you could fill that in for me, that would be great. You know, you cannot remember something and you're trying to remember it and you're speaking about other things, but you keep going back to that. Wait, what is that again? Yeah, if anyone has that, let me know. If you could, dun, 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 dun. If you could pull that up, that'd be great. Appreciate that. All right, let's get back to it. The market looking at a little bit of softness. Little bit of softness, just a touch. Let's see here. Nationwide. Thank you. My goodness. Thank you. That was gonna be annoying. That would have been annoying. All right. Now that I got your attention, this stream is brought to you by Nationwide. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Can you imagine if that was the ad? That'd be good. That'd be good. All right. Get back to it. We're starting to see a little bit of weakness here as things are settling in here. Oh, we were right. AVGO. Let me see here. AVGO is starting to do the thing. AVGO. If AVGO comes back down below 324, it's legit short again. If AVGO comes back down below, it is back on and popping again. Chat, let me know what other names you guys are looking at in the market this morning. I'll start pulling them up. I'll start pulling them up. Nationwide is on your side. I'm not gonna lie, that jingle slaps. That jingle slaps. Let's say it again. That jingle slaps. Okay. Let's get to some big names here. Jimmy has work. Jimmy completely sold off the top of this. Yikes. I'm not gonna lie, that is not what I wanted to see here. That is not what I wanted to see here at all. BBAI pulled back 2%. Oklo pulled back 2%. Oh, Oklo actually makes sense though. Oklo actually makes perfect sense. Oklo coming back down towards $79 is actually exactly what I was. Those of you guys from the Discord, I put this trade idea in the section yesterday. And this is actually legit what I was looking for. This is perfect. Okay. Let's see what you guys got right now. AA and MU. AA. AA is currently green this morning despite the rest of the market. AA doesn't really care much for the rest of the market at this point in time. It's simply up and stair-stepping, by the way. Looks great. Looks great this morning. MU down. MU down. MU looking like a hangman this morning. I think so. I think so. This is all right. HYMC. What's going on here? HYMC is up 4% again this morning. Next level up here is $31. Yeah, this thing is popping. This thing is popping. Put a quick one in chat if you own shares of HYMC. Let's just take a look here. How many people here have some shares of HYMC? Got a few people. Okay. So this move here, to me, could still go higher, right? You can look at SLV right now. It's up 2% this morning again. I mean, what a freaking move coming from silver. You can look at GLD. You can even look at like many commodities at this point in time are up. Okay, I would simply manage your position along the way, but let your winners ride. Let your winners ride all the way through. Oh my goodness. Yeah, because some of these names here are looking super strong. Palantir this morning, currently down. Palantir had a great run, kind of gave up everything throughout this run. This daily candle close on Palantir does not look great. I'll just tell you that from now. That daily candle close on Palantir yesterday looked like a reversal daily candle, which is fine. It is, but it doesn't look great. You've been holding for 4 years and it's finally paying off. Honestly, that's the way a lot of long-term investments should look. A lot. A lot. A lot. Now, the question is, how much does this market pull back today is the question. Have we seen the most this market is going to pull back, or are we going to be looking at more? Snow stepping back 1%. Tesla's down 0.5%. The SPY, the Qs are down less than 0.5%. Microsoft is still green. Apple's still green. Quantum names currently red across the board. Huge pullback for Lunar. Rocket Lab as well. Rocket Lab currently down 5% in the pre-market. Yeah, this is going to be an interesting open for sure. The Grinch is looking to steal the market today. Well, can we look at Hood? Of course we can. It's interesting because I know everyone, the more everyone has been looking for this, the crazier it gets. All right. The crazier it gets. Yeah, because I think everyone's extremely bullish at this point in time of the year. That's just the way it is. Everyone is. And I'm not saying it's wrong, because it is due to the seasonal tailwinds, right? But I know moves like this can hurt if you're not expecting drawdown. With names like Robinhood, like I'm expecting Robinhood to come back down towards 114, if not 106. Like this move to me is Fugazi, Fueezy, you know? It's still I'm not believing any of it. I'm not believing any of it. All right, gang. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, guys, we're going to leave things there this morning. I want to go take a few minutes to get prepped for the day. Even though there's not going to be a big trading day, we are seeing a significant shift here in the pre-market. I just want to get an idea if this is going to actually trend today at all or not, because we fall below a few key levels of support, and this is going to look a little bit different come market close. IWM looks like an inverse hammer candle, so I could definitely see this gap getting filled this morning and early. All right, be very safe out there. Twitch, I got your points, don't even worry about it. I got your points. All right, guys, I will catch you guys on the flip side. I'll catch you guys tomorrow actually for a quick morning stream, and then we're off towards the holidays. All right, guys, much love, Mod Squad. We appreciate you guys as always. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.